everybody, this is a MoPro coming at you once again with fixing of the car. Well, here I got this Nissan Versa 2011, and we're having a keyless entry problem, which is one of these. We got a new one because the other one I guess was going bad. So we're going to sit and program this. And the program is really easy. It's like super easy. And this is how you do it. Anyways, you take your regular key. Make sure you have all your windows, doors closed, or whatever, whatnot. And you take your regular key and you put it in the ignition. Well, when you do this, you're going to pull the key out and put the key in as fast as you can for about I'm going to say between 7 and 10 times. And then once you do it, you should have your hazard light blink up here. And then when the hazard light blinks up here, all you do is you pretty much push the thing and it should start the program. So here we go. So we start off like this and we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, there it goes. It just flashed. Now, after it flashes, take it, turn the key on exactly as soon as you do it, and hold the button as you're waiting. And then all of a sudden, you should hear the key finally go. You should be able to hit the button now. Ta-da! It's officially working. And that's how you set up your wireless keyless entry. With a MoPro coming at you once again. Peace on that Nissan Versa.